Welcome back once again. In this part, we will start designing for our apps, for our login activity. So open this activity main and remove this text view and remove this constant layout and add a linear layout. And we need to add orientation. Orientation is going to be vertical. And now we need to create a drawable resource file. So select drawable resource file and we can call it back design because we need to do a custom background design. Now we need to change this selected to shape and now select gradient. First we need to add angle. We can call it 45 degree and we need to add a start color and a int color. And now go to this color folder and choose a color whatever you want. So open this color folder. Now we need to choose a color. I think this color. No, this one. Okay, just copy. We can modify it in here. So at hash and put it here. And now this color. I think this red color. For int color. Okay. Maybe it's good. Or we can modify it. Okay, let's add back design. So background is going to be drawable back design. Now we need to add our text view. So text view white mesh parent and hide wrap content. And add a text. We can call it login because this layout is for login. And add a gravity center. And we need to add gravity center. So gravity center. So now we can see our text is center. So now add a text appearance. We can choose text appearance large. And text color is going to be Android color white. And now we need to add a edit text. So white mesh parent and hide wrap content and add layout margin 10 dp. And add a hint. We can call it email. And we need to change our text color hint is going to be color white. And we need to change our text color Android color white. And we need to add ID. And ID is going to be email. We can call it email login. And now we need another edit text. So layout white mesh parent and hide wrap content. And add layout margin 10 dp. And we need to add a hint and this input field is for our password. So we can call it password. And add input type. Input type should be text password. And text color Android color white. And we need to add text color hint is going to be white. And we need to add ID. ID is going to be password login. And now we need to add a button. White mesh parent and hide is going to be wrap content. And for layout margin we can call it layout margin 10 dp and add text. For this button we can call it text button login. And we need to add a text appearance. So text appearance is going to be medium. And change text color to white because we will change our button background color. So text color white, and we need to define an ID. So ID is going to be btn login, and we need another text view. So white mask parent and header of content, and add a text appearance. Text appearance is going to be small, and add a text. We can call it don't have an account, sign up here. That means if user don't have any account and if then they need to do registration, then they will click inside this text view and we will redirect them to our registration activity that we will create. So we can call it don't have an account, sign up here, and we need to edit gravity center, and add text color is going to be Android color white, and padding is going to be 5 dp, and ID is going to be sign up text. Now we need to create another drawable resource file. We can call it edt design, and OK, and change this selected to shape, and we need to add a gradient, angle 45, and a start color and hint color. So we need to add a start color, so we can use this color or we can change it later. I think not good, so change it. Okay, this one, and for this one, and I think we need to change it. No, this one. And choose this one. I think this one is good. And now we need to add corners. So top right radius 20 dp, top left radius 20 dp, and bottom left radius 20 dp, and bottom right radius 20 dp. And now we need to add a background. So background, we can call it edt design, and add padding 10 dp. Alright, now for password input field, maybe we need to add background for email. So background edt design and add padding 10 dp. Okay, now I think all good. Now add input type text email address for email input field. Okay, now we need to change our button background. So go to this button and add background, and we can choose same background edt design, and we need to add a padding. We can call it 10 dp. Or I think you can choose 6 dp. That will good. Okay, so 6 dp is perfect. Now go to this style folder and we need to remove our action bar. So change this dark action bar to no action bar, and come in here to activity main. So we successfully design our login layout. In our next part, we will design our registration layout.